Gospod Robert Terčelj iz podjetja Farmedica pa se je za današnjo oddajo pogovarjal s priznanim švicarskim strokovnjakom Rolandom Schoppom.
Tokrat bomo govorili o znani Voglovi rastlini, ameriškem slamniku Echinacei, in opravil sem intervju z priznanim švicarskim strokovnjakom Rolandom Schoppom, ki bo v nadaljevanju povedal nekaj pomembnih novosti za dobro razumevanje delovanja te rastline in zdravilnega pripravka iz rastline Echinophorus Alfreda Vogla. Okay, Mr. Schopp, few questions about Echinophorus. First, which is really an interesting one, you are the head scientist on the research with Echinophorus, and you have done many research and clinical studies in the last 20 years. What would you say are the main or key findings for Echinophorus? What do the patients benefit from it when they are using it?
So I think what we learned from 20 years research is that Echinophorus is probably one of the best things for prevention and acute treatment of colds and flu. So first of all, you can prevent colds, and obviously by preventing colds you can also prevent the use of antibiotics, and this is outstanding.
That's very important. So the reduction of use of antibiotic is probably one of the key findings, which is very important, so less complications and so on. Very good. People often use something for increasing the immunity. There are so many products which claim to be the products for the immune system. Why should people take Echinophorus instead of many of those vitamin, minerals or other products which claim to be immunity products?
I think at this point we have to distinguish between food supplements and registered pharmaceutical, and what we can say today is that Echinophorus is the only registered pharmaceutical to support the immune system. And of course there are many things you can do. You can healthy food is important to have functioning immune system.
Right.
But Echinophorus is doing something else. Echinophorus is regulating, is modulating the immune system, and it works totally different than any other food supplement.
Okay, so this is an effectively medicine which is on a high level of effectiveness.
This is pharma-grade medicine with an approved claim.
Very good.
So-called.
Very good. You said before, Echinophorus could be taken for prevention, but also for acute treatment. Sometimes, for some people, this is confusing. We try to explain them that you just increase the intake for have the acute treatment. But then it comes to the question, how long should a person take Echinophorus? What would be your suggestions, your experience?
So normally when you start with colds, you start having first symptoms, you increase the dosage. And then the increased dosage you apply it for maybe 10 days normally. And when the symptoms go away, you fall back to the preventive treatment and you start with prevention. Because after infection is always before infection.
Yes, it's always.
Yeah. Normally an adult person has up to 5 colds. Children can have up to 12 colds. So that means after a first infection you will experience for certain another one. And to take Echinophorus is just important to support your immune system and again to prevent these pathogens, the viruses that produce infections. Again, this can be taken throughout the winter.
Okay, that's very important. So it's somehow also your findings, the latest research supports what Alfred Vogel was finding with the product when he was more than 60 years ago preparing and doing this wonderful combination. So this is good to see traditional knowledge and modern science. So I would like to thank you for all the nice answers. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.